Hello everyone, welcome to Networking Essentials Unit 1. In this unit, we will have two concepts to deliver to you. The first one, we will have two different viewpoints to check the internet. The first one, it's a nuts and bolts view, and the second one, it's the service view. And next, we will have two protocols for you. The first one is the human protocol. And after that one, we will have the network protocol. And that's it. Introduction. In the short course, we will have the check-in for different views regarding the internet. And we want to share what a protocol is. First of all, it's nuts and bolts view. Nuts and bolts actually is a component. So that says we will have the component view. Well, check the components. In the internet, we will have billions of interconnected computing devices. Devices include hosts. It's the end system. And all the hosts run the apps. And to exchange the message, in fact, we have the packet. And so the packet need to have the packet switch to exchange so that packet can be forwarded. And in fact, we have the communication links. Alright, communication links. And communication links can be fiber, copper, radio, or satellite. And for communication link, what is the main concept? Actually, we care about bandwidth. That says the transmission rate. So how to transmit packet per second. This is a transmission rate. That says the bandwidth here. And if so, we have the devices, and each devices can join different networks. And it can be mobile network, and it can be national or global ISP, and it can be local or regional ISP, and we have a content providing network. We have a data center network. Of course, we can have an enterprise network for sure. So up to now, we check the components within the network. So that says we have the nuts and bolts view. And those networks, previously we have mobile network, home network. Those networks can form a network so that we can define internet as a network of networks. This kind of network, actually, we have the interconnected internet service providers. So we have interconnected ISPs. And within the internet, we need to use protocol so that we can see protocol anywhere. And protocol should control sending, and so that we know how to use it to receive the messages. And what kind of protocol we can have in the internet? We can have web, so it's HTTP. We can stream video, so we have streaming video. We have Skype, TCP IP, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, 6G in the future, and Ethernet. And of course, if we have this protocol, we need to define standard. Normally, in the internet, we will use request for comment to serve as a permanent standard. And of course, before that, we can have IETF draft. Well, next one is the service view. We have the infrastructure. The infrastructure can provide services. And services for different applications. For example, we can have web streaming video, multimedia, etc. And the service will provide a programming interface to different distributed applications. Alright. And next one, protocol. How to have a meaning for the protocol. We can check human protocols first, and then we can check network protocol. Human protocol, we can ask what the time is, and we can have a question as well. And of course, how to have the introduction is serve as a protocol for sure. For this protocol, actually, we will define specific messages to be sent, specific action to be taken, and the others. As for network protocol, similar to that one, we change we change human to computers, and so that we can have the role for computers or devices. And all the communication actually not among humans, but this time among devices. And so that we need to define format order messages to be sent and action to be taken. If so, put them together, then we can form a protocol. Here, this is to illustrate human protocol. So, for example, say hello and want to get time. So, get the time, and then you need to answer the time. For internet, actually, we can get the web page. So, we need to have the connection first, and then later we need to get the file and show the file. And we have the others. So we may have other human protocol, and of course we have the other computer network protocol. Finally, takeaways. In the short course, we have the checking for 2 different views regarding the internet, and also we define what a protocol is. All right, that's all. This is the first unit, Unit 1. If you want to see more videos, welcome to browse my YouTube channel here. Okay, that's it. See you. Bye-bye. This is the end of this unit. Thank you for watching.